Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to share some tips about the CEX Airdrop so you can earn even more from it. I'd love it if you stick around till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do that and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on new airdrop. Alright, let's get into the details of this airdrop. As you know, the main factor in this airdrop is the amount of CEX you have in your mini app. Now, to increase this amount, we can buy cards or go to the tasks section, watch YouTube videos, and answer the questions. So now, I want to share some ways you can make the most of this section. Let's start with the tasks. As you know, there are some tasks in this section where you can watch a video related to that task and answer a few questions. A lot of friends mentioned they had trouble answering the questions even after watching the YouTube video, or they didn't want to watch the videos at all. Well, here's a trick. You can simply take a screenshot of the questions, send it to ChatGPT, and ask it to give you the correct answers. That way, you'll have the answers ready to enter into the mini app and grab those. Now, let's move on to the game cards, where we can also earn a lot of points. Next, I'm gonna show you which cards give you the most CEX in the end and which ones are best to upgrade first, so stick with me. Alright, let's jump into the mine section and start from the beginning, the mining part. There are a few cards here that are better than the rest, which I'll show you in the image. These 3 cards you're looking at are better than the other cards in this section, and once you level up, you'll get this amount of CEX. Just keep in mind that some of these cards I've pointed out have a few prerequisites, so you need to complete those first, and then these cards will unlock for you to purchase. Now, let's move on to the next section, power. In this part, I'd say these same 3 cards are the best among the others, and they give us more CEX, so don't forget to upgrade them. Alright, the next section is business. In this section, there are also 4 cards that can give us a good amount of CEX, and I'd say R&D is the best among them. Let's move on to the last section, specials. In this section, only the first 2 cards are good, and the last card and the others don't really add much to your CEX, so upgrading them isn't really worth it. In this special section, there's also an option that, after purchasing all the cards, allows you to buy this first card, which adds only 500,000 CEX. Remember, most of these cards aren't available for purchase at the beginning of the game, and you'll have to complete some prerequisites first. Once you've done that, you can buy these cards, so keep an eye on those prerequisites. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Hope we can make some good gains from this airdrop.